Are you confused about S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100? If yes, then in this video I will clear your confusion. But before that, you should know about S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 because without knowing these index, you can't invest your money properly. So S&P 500 is an index which includes 500 stocks from the entire stock market. These companies are from all the sectors of the stock market. It means it includes banking stocks, technology stocks, auto stocks and many other stocks. And Nasdaq 100 is an index which includes 100 stocks. But these 100 stocks do not include financial sector stocks. This Nasdaq 100 includes only other than financial sector stocks. It means it does not have a banking stock like JP Morgan and other banking stocks. Nasdaq 100 mainly focus to technology stocks. Like if you check Nasdaq 100 index weightage, then you will see there are many tech based stocks which have a higher weightage in this index like Meta, Alphabet, Tesla, etc. If we compare S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 returns, then we will see in last 3 months Nasdaq 100 has provided 4.82% to its investor and S&P 500 provided 0.62% return. As per YTD return, Nasdaq 100 has provided 10% return to its investor, and if you check last 1 year return, then you will see Nasdaq has provided more negative return compared to S&P 500. S&P 500 provided negative 7.5% return and Nasdaq 100 had provided negative 14% return to its investor. And if we check last 5 year return, then you will see S&P 500 provided 43% return to its investors and Nasdaq 100 provided 70% return to its investors. So here if we check 1 year return, Nasdaq had provided lesser returns compared to S&P 500, and if we check last 5 year return, then you will see Nasdaq had provided higher returns compared to S&P 500. Now what it means? Here Nasdaq 100 index is very volatile compared to S&P 500. Nasdaq 100 includes many volatile stocks which are valued at higher PE ratios, and S&P 500 index includes many undervalued stocks. In volatile market, when market is bearish, then Nasdaq will provide lesser return compared to S&P 500. But if the market is in bullish mode, then Nasdaq 100 will provide higher return compared to S&P 500. It means if you think market will be bullish in coming years, then you can choose Nasdaq 100 index over S&P 500 index. But if you think market will be bearish or market will go sideways, then you should choose S&P 500. Here choosing Nasdaq 100 also causes you a risk of volatility in technology based stocks. Suppose if technology sector is not doing well, then Nasdaq 100 index can give you much negative return compared to S&P 500. Just like it happened in earlier days. In .com bubble burst, the Nasdaq 100 has provided much higher negative return compared to S&P 500 because Nasdaq 100 focuses on technology based stocks very much. That's why Nasdaq 100 has provided much bigger negative return compared to S&P 500. So in my opinion, if you are thinking to invest in safer stocks, then you can choose S&P 500, and if you want higher returns, then you can choose Nasdaq 100 over S&P 500. Nasdaq 100 index can provide you higher returns if the market is bullish and the technology sector is doing well. And if you want to invest in overall market, then always choose S&P 500.